Minasan konnichiwa, Junya Tomoshimasu, Yoroshiku onegaishimasu. Ang topic naman natin ngayon is about kay Tehoshi at Naidehoshi. Ito po ay entry grammar, minasang. Minasang, yoko kite kudasai. Hai, hajimete ikimashou. Okay, so ito yung pattern. Noun ni verb Tehoshi. So, ibig sabihin, used to indicate wishing that someone else noun, itong noun na to, lalagyan niyo ng particle ni, would do something, verb. Okay, kung ano yung wish mo or hope mo or gusto mong mangyari doon sa noun ni. Ang gusto mong mangyaring magawa niya or mangyari sa kanya. Okay, example, okay, I would like my friend to pass GLPTN for exam. So gusto kong mangyari na yung friend ko is makapasa sa GLPTN for exam. So watashi wa tomodachi ni, so nilagyan natin ng particle ni kasi nga ito yung gusto mong. Si tomodachi yung gusto mong makapasa. Okay, GLPTN yung ni gokaku shite. So kailangan ite-form mo yung verb gokaku shimasu, change to gokaku shite, then put hoshi desu. Okay, so watashi wa tomodachi ni GLPTN yung ni gokaku shite hoshi desu. Okay, next. I wish someday Miss Ann will be happy. Okay, gusto ko balang araw si Ma'am Ann is maging happy. Watashi wa Itsuka An-sang, then put particle ni ulit. Shiawase ni natte hoshi. So, shiawase ni narimas, naging te form yan, then put hoshi. So, natte hoshi desu. Okay, next. Okay, si Naide Hoshi naman, ganun pa rin yung kanyang pattern and noun ni verb naide. Kaya nga lang naka-negative na siya. Okay, wishing that noun, itong noun na to, yung gagawa ng action, is would do not do verb. So I hope my mother don't forget to buy my doll or to buy doll. Okay, so watashi wa haha ni, okay, Ningyo cow no. Ningyo is a doll. Cow is to buy. Then, para malagyan natin ng panibagong particle, gawin natin dictionary form, then put no. Then, lagyan natin particle o. Wasurinaide is to don't forget. Wasurinaide hoshi desu. Okay. Watashi wa haha ni ningyo cow no wasurinaide hoshi desu. Okay, next. Okay, sabi dito, they can also be used about matters other than people's action kasi kanina puro people's action tayo kanina, no? So pwede naman daw siya sa ibang matters or about other matters tulad ng I hope it doesn't rain tomorrow. So hindi naman to people, ito ay pinag-uusapan natin is natural phenomenon. So kung natural phenomenon ng pinag-uusapan, minasang hindi na siya particle ni. Katulad nito, particle ni. So, magiging particle ga na siya. Okay, next. Watashi wa ashita ame ga. May particle ga kasi natural phenomenon yan. Then, negative. Furanai de hoshi desu.